into the covered parking lot? You would remember if we did, so I don't think we did. Let's go straight, follow the curb, signal right, and slow it down. Slow it right down.
Oh, in there, no.
Yeah, right turn in here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so just take your time through here. Notice it's very narrow, and some people actually scrape the wall with their mirrors here.
Yeah. Wonderful, beautiful speed hump.
Yeah, they don't know how to spell bump. I guess they're French or something. Yeah, it was French, whoever painted it. Speed hump. You go in the customer parking, so furthest to the right. The trick here to grab a ticket is to get your side mirror as close to that blue box where the ticket machine is. Closer. Much closer, because now you're going to have to step out of the window. Probably stick your body out of the window here.
What do I do?
Put your window down, grab the ticket. Push the ticket.
Where's the ticket? Oh, push my ticket.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay.
See what I mean? How you gotta get close, eh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Now look at the road marking.
Okay.
That means we're gonna go right.
Oh.
That guy's making a mistake here. He should have gone left. He just cut you off. Okay, so let's back it into one of these spaces here on the right. This one maybe? Yeah, back it.
Oh, back. Ignore I did that.
It's kind of a weird spaces here too. That's very helpful. Helps you get that spacing.
Here we go.
Searching for greatness in a sea of